Rowan from the Kite Shop Australia. We're going to check out the Peak Paddle Sport Adventure Double Touring Paddling Jacket, or Cag. This is the one I'm commonly wearing at the moment when I'm guiding. So let's check it out. Highly visible, heavy weight, takes a while to saturate, a little bit slower to dry, but it is nice and breathable material. So now let's check this out. If you need to, you can open it up and let the air out, as well as if you need to actually go through some extreme water, surf, and you might take some water in, you've got the hook and loop and the neoprene pull tight neck gasket. We've also got the U-boot whiz-bang hood, which is enclosed, highly visible again, and stowable. We've also got latex gaskets here. So this paddling jacket I'd classify as a semi-dry. Water does not run up my base layers through my gasket. This is as good as dry. We've got the neoprene hook and loop to protect that gasket and give you an extra little bit of protection. We've got the double tunnel. This goes against your body. You pull this up. Your spray deck goes here, this goes back over and cinches tight around your waist, creating more of a dry seal, not 100% dry, but a dry seal. It's got a good cut. It's a fantastic paddling jacket. And again, get out there on the water. We recommend you undertake training by a qualified instructor to stay safe and learn all about it. Who uses one of these? Please comment below. If you've got any questions, please comment below. Team, we'll see you out on the water.